Hello, we are from Group W that choose Persatuan Lakiput Sarawak PLS as our study for this subject, and we also given recommendation to the PLS to help them have their own apes. PLS or ethnic Kiput is one of the races in Sarawak which is very rare nowadays. The name of PLS president is Gabriel Kalwing, and he was appointed as the new president of the Sarawak Lakiput Association starting from 2022. To this date, population data from any sources states that the Kiput ethnicity only numbers around 2,000 people, and most of them live around the coast of Sungai Baram, Kuala Tutuh, and Lubuk Nibong Miri. Most of the Kiput ethnic society is Christian and Muslim. As for the Kiput community who profess Christianity, they still live in longhouses, while for the Muslim, most of them live in traditional Malay village, such as Kampung Benawa Baram.
The problem that we have found in the Lakiput Association is, even though there are a lot of Lakiput people in the area, but the Lakiput Association is lack of members, and they don't have any place to put some of their important data about the association's activities. Thus, by using the apps that our group have created for this Persatuan will help the association to save their important data. However, in this association, young people is needed to demonstrate their elders how to use the apps in order for them to continue using the apps in the association.
Now we're moving to our agenda of our suggestion towards our Persatuan. As I mentioned earlier, our Persatuan mentioned that they are only using Excel to input all their members' data. So our suggestion towards our Persatuan is, first of all, the place to a new member registration site with only using forms. So it is way more practical and easy to gather data and information about their new membership. Secondly, a system to them upload the activities such as gotong royong or promoting selling product of their organization such as clothes and many other things. Lastly, a system more efficient and reliable gathering and storing data. Within our app, they can store many data as possible of their members in many ways, so it way more advanced and more reliable towards the organization.
The president of Persatuan Lakiput Sarawak, Sir Gabriel, has asked our group to create apps which is member registration and galleries. Through this app, the Kiput ethnic community as well as the outsiders can apply or register to become members of Persatuan Lakiput Sarawak. The applicant will fill in the requested information as found in the apps. When the applicant has registered, the app's admin, which is Sir Gabriel, will approve or disapprove the application. So next is the gallery apps. For these gallery apps, admins can upload pictures of association activities that have been carried out. Admins can also upload pictures of traditional Kiput ethnic clothes so that the outsider can see what Kiput traditional look like. In addition, our group has also helped Persatuan by creating other apps such as association location, association information, and attendance QR. For this attendance QR, the admin will provide a code where Persatuan members can scan their attendance in a meeting or activity. So before the admin provide the code, the admin will set the name of the activity, the start and end of that, and the location of the activities. The admin also can see the check-in list through this attendance QR.
Our group already teach the Lakiput Association the simple tutorial of how we use QR scanner in apps. And I will put some video record of our meeting.
Kalau buka QR daftar masuk ni, untuk apa-apa, ada bukaku. Okay, ni QR. Lepas tu, so untuk QR ni kami orang buat macam kalau ada meeting ataupun kalau ada macam perbincangan antara ahli-ahli persatuan, dia pihak kamu orang tidak perlu macam catat pakai pensel ataupun catat pakai handphone, kamu orang boleh scan je QR. Jadi contoh QR yang saya dapat bagi adalah ni. Ni adalah semua barang yang admin dapat tengok nanti yang kami orang sudah buat. Jadi untuk QR, saya boleh tengok dekat sini. Okey, ni. Jadi ini adalah yang rangka-rangka kami boleh bagi contoh tengok lah. Ni QR untuk attendance. Jadi macam kalau dah buat meeting nanti macam perbincangan, set je semua ni macam nama acara nama event tu apa, tarikh mula dia, tarikh akhir dengan lokasi. Lepas tu okey, ni QR dia. So dekat bawah ni nanti siapa-siapa yang login, siapa-siapa yang daftar masuk dapat tengok. So ini adalah salah satu daripada kelebihan kalau ada QR code attendance ni lah.
Right.
So yang depan ni tadi kan ni untuk buka kamera dia. Jadi ahli boleh buka kamera ni untuk scan QR dekat sini.
Right.
Yeah. So,
Here are some reaction of association members about the apps that my group has made.
As far as your project is concerned, you just go ahead and give your level best and what you consider is a best way, a good way to apply the know-how that you have, yeah, the application of the app ini. You rasa what is the standard, yeah, the good standard that is comparable to other app yang orang lain pakai, ada organisasi yang ada pada masa kini. You just you carry on with that, yeah. I think for this preliminary presentation, I think you have grasped most of the things that we need actually, yeah, especially pendaftaran ahli, data belakang pasal persatuan, and gallery, you know.
Jadi pada pendapat saya, ia merupakan satu usaha yang baiklah untuk bagi membantu persatuan kami yang terdiri daripada kumpulan minoriti yang memang tidak dikenali di kebanyakan tempat lah.
Dan saya sokong yang seperti ini dan harap dah sukses dan dapat dikenali ramai Lakiput.
Here we got some recommendation from our group and from Lakiput Association about the apps that have been made.
Yang boleh diakses, number 1 by the admins, number 2 by the public. So as far as for us on this side is we considered ourselves as the admin because yang paling penting ini to prevent, to avoid, if we can mitigate the problem of people punya perspektif daripada luaran,
That's all from our group.